The RV Johnson team has put together a list to help you get prepared for the storm.
You will need batteries of all sizes for radios and flashlights, coolers to keep your perishable items cool. Don't forget to trim all trees and shrubs surrounding your home, toilet paper and paper towels, plenty of water for all household members, non-perishable items such as peanut butter, bread, and canned foods, flashlights, make sure you have plenty on hand. Of course, your insurance policies and other important documents handy. Don't forget to charge your cell phones and other portable electronics. Paper goods such as cups and paper plates. Make sure you have plenty of cash in the event the ATMs lose power. Don't forget to fill your vehicles and generators with gas. Ice to put in your coolers and ice chests. Make sure you fill your prescriptions. Our furry friends need help too. Don't forget their food, water, and treats. Hand sanitizer to make sure everything stays sanitary.
Don't forget about these items also.